Which one do you prefer most? This one, or this one? I'm sure you will choose this one. This is more meaningful. And the major benefit of it is, it helps Google to understand your content and rank accordingly. In this video, we will see how to set this permanent link in WordPress. Hi, I am Alex from Essential Web Apps. And we make videos on WordPress, website and social media strategy, web design, and development. To see our regularly uploaded videos, please hit the subscribe buttons and click the bell icon for notification. I am at the localhost's homepage now. If I click on the About link, we will see here the URL of the About page. It's a page ID now. It's for all the pages at this point. But we want the word contact or blog or about, instead of the page ID number. To set this, we will go to Settings. Then click Permalink. It's the short form of the permanent link. You will see different types of formats, alongside a custom format. The plain one is the default one, with the page ID. Let's set this first. Click Save. Here, if we reload this page, the page ID will be changed to the page name. Now, it's more meaningful and easy to understand, not just for visitors, but also for Google. If you are running a blog-based website, there are a few formats which are more appropriate. Such as this one, with day and name. It will show you the URL with the posted date and the post name within it. Or, this one, with the posted month and the post name within it. It is very helpful for you and your visitor, and of course, for Google to track the post, as per date, for better ranking. If you want to organize the post in an archive, you can try this format too. If you want a custom URL for your post, which is vital for the SEO of the content, then you can set a custom slag for the URL. For this, let's go to the post. Click Edit. Change the URL slag from here. Update. You will see the custom URL here. You can do the same for pages too. So, there you go. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up and please subscribe for more videos like this. If you want a top quality premium WordPress theme, please see the description below. And I will see you in the next video.